So first you need to get a car you can actually create your own. I'll get in for models because if I'm at a car it's gonna waste of time. So first, open the car and find the vehicle sittant. Make sure you add it and add a proxy prompt. Now, click the proximity prompt and name the action text to sit. You can actually change it when you want and turn off the require line. As you can see, it's working the proximity prompt, but it's not working on ride. Don't worry, take it easy. First insert a script in proximityPrompt.Script and open it, and copy the code and description and paste it into script. And you're done. As you can see, it's working now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. To sit tutorial. So first insert a part that gonna be chair if you your chair if you have. Insert a seat in part. So you need to put the seat part on top of the parter when they gonna sit. Don't forget to anchor it and cancel it. And insert a script and seat. The script and car seat are same. Code and description. Copy the code and paste it into script. Oops, I forgot to add proximity prompt. Do the same process like in car. Then script it again. As you can see, it's working. Don't forget to like and subscribe.